Hey guys, nagawa ako ngayon ng breadcrumbs. Ito yung breadcrumbs na gamit ko. Gawa ko ng chicken strips. Ito na gawa ko na. Yan. Marami na yan. Ito ganito paggawa niya, no? Marinate mo na yung chicken, breast chicken. Yan, breast chicken. Marinated. 2 hours, 3 hours marinated. And I add egg and soya milk. Then this one, the breadcrumbs, put it here in breadcrumbs, like that. Then later put in the fridge. Put inside here. All ng aking isang plastic na dami niyan. Nagawa pa ako. Lagay ko lang siya dito sa ito lalagyan ko. Marami kasi. I think 1 kilo of breast chicken. This I made chicken strip. I put the ingredients and my description. I teach you how to do the breadcrumbs. See this breadcrumbs, chicken strip, or you make nuggets like this. Must put egg before you put this breadcrumbs, then it's sticky. It's like this, coating and coating lang. Then you must press in like that, then coat again like that. Yeah, I have some egg and milk little bit. I put fresh milk like this. I want to give you see. This is the I'm making. This is fresh milk. There I put in 2 eggs. 4 eggs na I make it. There's I put inside here scramble, and then put inside list like this. Then you make it. Start around the breadcrumbs. Start for the breadcrumbs like this. Then you have a chicken strip already. This is a homemade. It's better you make it homemade. Before I cut the strip, the chicken breast. Then I add salt, soy sauce, black pepper, little bit chili, cumin seed, and spices. And I add lemon. And that, then marinated even overnight, or if you want to do 5 hours like that, 2 hours, 3 hours must be marinated. Then after marinated, you add egg, and then you coating by breadcrumbs. Add milk and egg and little bit salt and black pepper. It's like that. That's what I'm doing. See, it's a breadcrumbs. I have so many here. Can do it like this. Yeah, you make it dry. Your chicken is squeezed like that, then you become like this, become like that. Then you can put in the freezer, and you can consume until you want to eat. You can take and deep fry, or fry a little bit water, oil. Then you can eat. This is ulam na. You can make this is with rice or anything, or you add the fry with potato fries. You can eat. This is for the kids, and not only for the kids, also with us can eat like this. So now this is my finishing. Yeah, I thank you for watching, and God bless us. Amen. And don't forget to like and subscribe my video. Thank you very much for watching. This is a homemade strip chicken. I love you. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you always.